当我们拿到线材的时候，我们把线材打开。
Okay, so when we get the harness, and we will take this harness like this way, something.
我们把线材这样铺开。
We will separate the wires, something like this.
首先，我们把主板接好。
And first, we are supposed to, you see,
up.
This is up, and we will. This is okay. It's connected. 对，接上。And we are supposed to connect the board first. Okay.
然后沿着这条线往下。
And then go through the wires.
找到这条线。
And
黑白线。
And we are supposed to find, you see, the wires. There is a black and white. Okay.
这是喇叭线。
You see, in one wire, half black, half white.
另外还可以再接一个喇叭，双喇叭。
You see,
我们这是测试接一个。
This is the speaker's wires, okay? So the other wire is for another speakers. So one machine has 2 speakers.
然后接着再往下。
And then we're going through.
这里是我们的电源盒，就是 power supply.
This is a power supply.
然后这个
You
本身
see?
是这样子，然后我们任选一个插头。
You see, there are 2 interfaces. 2 of them is same. You see, this is for the spare part. You choose one of them, connected is okay.
把它接好就行了。
接进去了吗？
可以。
Okay, so it's connected.
这个是一个摇摆开关，我们当时拿到的时候是散的，打开的时候它是没有接线的，
And
就
this
这样
is
接。
and this is the lock and something. You see, you are supposed to connect it like this. Okay. Is off is the black, on is white.
这里还有一条线，打开的时候，
这条是干嘛的？
这条线是有可能是接打印机用的。
Oh, this wire is for the printers. Okay, there is no printers right now.
打开包装，我们还有一个这个 RGB 信号小卡。
This is a PCB board. When we open the harness.
我们接这个小卡的时候，一定要照这个方向来接，照左边。
是哪根线呢？我操！
他拿到这个端子，他就知道了。只有这一个端子。
Okay, when you see this wire, and you are supposed to connect this PCB.
靠左边。
And choose the left. Okay. The
一定要
yellow
靠左
wire,
边。
the yellow wire is the right. Okay, so this way.
然后这边是接这个 VGA。
This is the VGA. You see, it's connected with VGA interface.
另外就是这个控台，这里有个按键板，按键板在这条线从这里分过来，分上来。
Okay, so when we give the harness the left, and then there is another few wires where there are 几根线? There are 6 wires. You see, the 6 wires. You see the black, the blue, and the gray, and the yellow, and the purple, and the white. Okay, it's connected with this the bottoms. 对。
取下来，这样他看得清楚一些。
Okay, so 这原来就是这样装的是吧？
不是散的。
Okay, 放上面。You see, you are supposed to connect like this way. You see, this wire is connected here, and this black is here. The white is there, and the yellow is in opposite, the other side. Okay, the same way. 举下来。Okay, the same way. You see, the yellow, the gray, and the blue and the black. Okay, 对，装上去。Okay, so this is the bottoms, remember? Okay, so 6 wires, remember?
然后另外这一条是纸钞机线，这条线就在这个。
Okay, so
这个
when you
主线
go
上面。
out from the harness, the left part, you see, this is for the bill acceptor interface. Okay,
我们配了 好几条纸钞机线，
We-
根据不同的品牌。
When we send you the harness, we'll send you the rest 2 wires because there are few kinds of bill acceptor. So you choose one of them is suitable for yours. Is okay. This is our ICTS ITL.
IT 啊。
This is ITL brand bill acceptor. So use this wire.
最后一项，把液晶屏幕打开，这里是屏幕电源线，
Okay.
适配器。
This is a power adapter. This is power adapter for the monitors. Okay. Go through here and plug it here. And this is for
touch，
this is for touch
一定要
screens.
接的这个。
You see, this is the second one. Second interface is connected from. Okay, this is for the touch screen. Okay, 哎，看着，接好了。This is for the 这是干什么的 VGA. This is the power VGA and for touch screens.
你刚才是不是把触摸线接错？触摸线应该在这个位置，不是在这个。好，现在可以开电了。
Oh, sorry. This is the sixth one. The fourth one is not second one. The fourth one is for touch panel. Okay. Now we will turn on this.
这个板不行，重新拿一个。
Okay. We will try to turn on the machines, the kits.
没有这个。都可以，没有那个时钟芯片。